Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I maintain my silk press for over a week. As you all can see here, I had my hair tied down really nicely in order for me to shower. However, I did sleep with the do-rag and the bonnet. My hairstylist did put this lunch net on top of these pin curls. Instead of just wearing my hair down after I got my hair done, I just let her pin curl it so I didn't have to do anything when I got home. As you all can see, my hair has lots of shine. However, my stylist did tell me that my hair was lacking a little bit of hydration, so she expected my hair to poof up. So prior to leaving the salon, I knew I was going to have to do a little bit of extra work at night to maintain this silk press. And I am just using my fingers to just run my hands through the curls just to kind of just get them laying into place and just to get them all feathered, because I did have a feathered look before she pin curled the hair. For day 2 hair, I am not mad about this. I was super excited with the movement as well as the shine and the middle part. But here we are. It is the end of day 2 and this is what my hair is looking like. So typically what my stylist explained to me is that when your hair starts to poof, it is your hair strands basically trying to seep moisture from the air. So for me, flexi rodding was a suggestion by the stylist that she gave me, so I'm flexi rodding my hair to hang on to the silk press. This was super easy. It only took like less than 5 minutes. I only used 8 flexi rods. If you use too many flexi rods, then it is going to come out like a Shirley Temple set basically. So the less the better, and I only use 8. I am putting a do-rag back on because flexi rods on straight hair, in my opinion, sometimes they get like flimsy, they want to escape the hair. So I just put the do-rag on with a bonnet and I will sleep like this. So it's day 3 and it is time to take the flexi rods out. This process is super simple. It doesn't take a lot of time. You just want to pull both ends apart and just remove the flexi rod. As you all can see here, although my hair was super frizzy and was looking kind of dry, my hair actually looks moisturized after putting these flexi rods in. I just like to give my hair a little shake, see how my hair is falling, and then I will run my fingers through the hair. This kind of helps like gather the curls together, get rid of any of those parts, and it also helps me go ahead and figure out my swoops that I like to have on each side of my head. Again, my hair has a lot of movement, it still has shine. And it is the end of day 3, still a little bit of body, but as you all can see, my hair was looking for some moisture in the air again. I am going to use this Silk Infusion by Chi, and I'm just adding this to my hair. I did purchase this travel size from my stylist because she recommended it and I knew I was going to need it. So I'm just working that through my hair strands, and today I am going for a traditional wrap. Now, I already know that when wrapping the hair, if you're going for a middle part, it is really hard to stick to that middle part, but I was determined to find a way to make it work. And it is now day 4, and all I have to do this morning is just comb my hair out of the wrap. I will be using a wide tooth comb to do this process because whenever I used to have wraps, just the wide tooth combs just work better. As you all can see, the ends of my hair really look really good. It really made my hair smile when I went to go get my hair done because I did not have to get a haircut. She said that my trim looked really good. It wasn't horrible, and that just made me feel good because the at-home trim tutorials were really doing this thing for me. She did say that I did have some stress spots in the middle of my head that we are going to work to get them to catch up to the rest of my hair, which is something that I knew prior to going. And this is what my hair looks like. It still has a little bit of moisture. It is getting bigger, which is okay because we have some other at-home techniques that we can use for this. Wasn't gonna do it, but I did it anyway. I added some more serum and I decided that I was gonna put a little bit more heat on these roots. And it was fine. It actually didn't make any huge changes, but it just made me feel better that my roots were not significantly puffy. One thing that I noticed about this silk press is that my edges, the nape, and just my roots, they were not playing no games with the silk press this year. They were not having it. So I had a lot of curly hair at my roots just from their hair reverting back. I am not flat ironing my hair to get it bone straight. I'm not using small sections at all. I just wanted to add just a little bit of heat to the roots and go through the length of the hair. And now I am going to add some loose curls to my hair. I am going to go ahead and recommend this to you all. It is probably best practice to just go ahead and pin your hair if you are going to use this technique. However, if you are going to add more heat to your hair, it is a non-negotiable. You need to add a heat protectant. I did use the She heat protectant again. It is non-negotiable, okay? If you're gonna add heat protectant, it is best to just pin curl your hair. I did go ahead and wrap my hair after this, and as you all will see, I was not able to retain a lot of the curls, but I retained a lot of the body. So if you're looking for body, wrap it. If you're looking for the curls to look like this, pin curl it. Here we are, it is day 5, and now I am going to give you all another comb down of what my hair looks like. Due to how my hair was wrapped and which side had the most movement, I decided to go for a side part because this was just going to work better for the hairstyle today. It is day 6 and I decided to do a flexi rod set the night before, and now I am just going to take those down, and you all will see that it does look a little bit similar, but I am going to have probably more volume than what I did a few days ago because the silk press is getting a little bit older. It is day 9. I know I skipped 3 days, but I'm going to show you how I preserved my straight hair the previous 3 days and how I am still preserving my hair currently. So you're going to want to comb out your hair, make sure all of the tangles are out. If you need a scalp massage, you can do that. I am kind of using this comb to kind of scratch my scalp because it's itchy. I am adding a little bit of this silk stuff to my scalp because, honey, it is dry, so it is about time, okay? I am going to section my hair off into 4 sections because we are creating 4 Bantu knots. All you have to do is roll your hair just like this and continue rolling as you put it in a circle and form a little ball. That's a Bantu knot, okay? Now to secure the Bantu knot, I am using ouchless hair ties, okay? And you're going to want to secure it about 3 times and make sure that you go over the length of the Bantu knot as well. I'm not using rubber bands because whenever I use rubber bands on my straight hair, they tend to snag my hair a lot more than if I was putting them on my curly hair, okay? So 4 of them, you want to make sure that the sections are as equal as possible so that the curls can match each other. You don't want too much larger or smaller than the other. So one section in the front is a little bit larger than the other section, and then one section in the back may be a little bit larger than the other because we want it to match, okay? Tie it up with a scarf, and you're gonna put a bonnet right on top. And now we take them down, and all we have to do is run our fingers through every single section. You don't need a comb, you don't need to agitate the curls too much, and look at that. My hair doesn't even look as frizzy or poofy because it had time to sit with the oils that my hair already has on it and get some of that silkiness back.
I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart, and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget.
As always, I really hope you all found these tips helpful and useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!
Love me like that.